You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this expression that is quite popular these days on TikTok. It's a slang expression, meaning, if you're wondering what it means, it stands for F around, find out. So how do you say it as an acronym? FAFO. Yeah, some may say it as FAFO, but it's actually FAFO. How do you say it yourself? Let us know in the comments. More expressions here for you, interesting ones. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.